Hi, welcome back to the channel. A lot of people are complaining about the S22 range, especially the Ultra, and the vibration motor is not as powerful as previous models. So let me show you a method to increase your vibrations. Let me know if this works for you in the comments. So you go to settings, like so, sounds and vibrations, and go to vibration intensity. And I don't think this was here earlier when we first got the phones. Vibration sound for incoming calls. It's off by default. Turn that on, and every time the phone goes, it plays a little noise as well as, but the noise sounds like a vibration. So combine that with the vibration and you definitely will make a big difference. Hope this helps. Press subscribe. Be safe. See you soon.